eNETDNC's advanced flexibility gives our customers the option of using either a wired or a wireless setup and employs the latest secure encryption with built-in verification to ensure data integrity. By collecting production data at the machine, employees can clock in or out of jobs without leaving their workstations. Adding the e-terminal to eNETDNC further increases shop efficiency. An activity that normally requires an operator to travel throughout the shop can now be accomplished conveniently right at the workstation. With eNETDNC, you can collect precise, fast, and reliable real-time production data directly from the machine control. The eNETDNC system uses this information to determine the machine's status. Whether the machine is actively running production parts or in setup mode, eNETDNC keeps you informed. Whenever the machine is idle, the operator is required to report that status and indicate the reason for it. This feature of the monitoring system allows companies to accurately track the data most relevant to their operation. eNETDNC provides data for such key factors as cycle time, setup times, or maintenance downtime. If you need status notifications, eNETDNC can quickly alert the appropriate personnel via text or email. These features, combined with weekly and monthly reporting, ensure company-wide accountability for all aspects of machine operation and shop activity.
I'm Ron from Ron's CNC Service. I'd like to invite you to our website where we're adding services and products on a regular basis. Come and visit us at ronscnc.com.